Hello and welcome. Welcome back to another video. I'm Trip. I'm working on the Lotus in this one. And if you watched my last Lotus 7 Autocross video, where I took this thing for the first time, you know, I put a link up here. You haven't seen that video. But you know that the turning radius on it is like really bad. Like I have to turn that damn steering wheel like damn near 360 to turn it left or right. So I'm trying to think of some easier ways to fix that before the next event. And I bought this Steering Quickener. So I found this Steering Quickener from Speedway. It's a 2-to-1. And what that means is every time this side of the spline does a full rotation, 360 degrees, this side will only go halfway, so only go 180 degrees. So it should shorten steering by half. As you can see, this is my steering column that goes from here all the way down here. So luckily I have plenty of space to put this. So what I'm thinking is probably gonna put it here in line. That way I can mount it to here. So I gotta take it apart and figure out the best mounting solution for that. I don't think it would be too hard. And it came with these adapters, these spline adapters for each side, that I will be able to weld this pole to this adapter. That way I have a way to connect it. Okay, I got the front of the car jacked up. That way I can kind of show you the turning radius on this bad boy. I have the steering wheel at the center. I'm going to go to the left. That's a full 360. See how much that tire tone? Not a whole lot. Now I'm going to go a little more. And that's it. That's that locked, full locked. So that's about 1 1/4 rotation of the steering wheel for full lock. So let's go back to center, back the other way. 1 rotation, extra quarter, full lock, and just steering a little bit. You know, tire's toning, but it's not that much. So I'm hoping that'll fix it a lot. And something I did notice while I was doing this is I always thought that the steering rack was, the ratio in it was really bad for my turning radius, for how far it goes. But no, it's actually, the reason it doesn't turn anymore because it's hitting where the tie rod hooks up to the spindle. You can see it better on this side, where it hooks up to the spindle here. It's hitting the little control arm here. Okay, I think the plan is take a piece of Wimmer wood, weld it to the frame here. Of course, I'm going to notch this piece of aluminum out. Then weld this plate to that, so it comes up, giving me a place to mount with this way. Should work, but I gotta start taking this apart. Take this out, take battery off, probably take this out. Let's go! Hey, now I got everything clear, kind of out of the way. Got part of the steering column apart. Now you can see down in the abyss. that steering column ended up being a lot more pain in the ass than I was expecting. Took a lot of different cutting utensils to get that thing out. But when it goes back in, it'll be a lot better than it was. So now I gotta find a place for this. Find where I need to cut my pole. Okay, I got my steering column all together. Got everything welded, painted, made me a little fancy bracket. Hopefully it all holds together. Got my dash back together. Hopefully I didn't mess any wiring up while I was in there. Right, let's test this out. What do you think, Twix? You think it's gonna work? Or do you think I just messed it up more than it was? Okay, top dead center. What? I know. I did a shitty job. Okay, just turn it to the left. Okay, it stopped. Say went about 3/4 of the way, I guess. See how almost past top dead center. Now let's go to the right. That way it's a little bit less than 3/4. See, it's maxed out over there. Go back. So yeah, I'd definitely say that's half, because you remember before it was a full 360 and about 1/4 to max out. So now I'm about at 3/4. So that's a significant reduction. Let's see if it helps me this weekend. One thing I am worried about is right now I don't have any weight on it. I have the front of the car jacked up so I can turn the steering wheel easier. Is a bracket kind of flexes. So hopefully it doesn't flex even more when the car's on load. So I'll find out when I give this car hell. Guess I'll go for a little test drive real quick. See how she feels. Cross fingers I don't break anything. Okay, I'm back from a test drive. The car feels significantly better. The steering is a lot more responsive, it's more crisp, and I don't have to do this with the steering wheel, just a tone. So that's awesome. And other thing I need to do, of course, put the bonnet back on, is I need to re-clock the steering wheel. It is way off. That is straight right now. So yeah, you fix that. So easy fix. Then I can retest it out at Autocross. So soon. Hey, I'm back here for another Autocross. About to serve it again. And got the steering rack all back together. And let's test it out. Let's see how it does. Hopefully I can go a little faster than last time. Even though I haven't been to this track. This is a different track than the Lebanon track that was the last video. So I don't know what my time should be. So let's hope it does good compared to the other cars. But I'm the only one in my class, so I'll just run it, see how it does.
probably take it easy this one. I don't know. Be surprised if you see.
Hey, I'm back from the Autocross event, and the car didn't do too bad. The steering was significantly better than the last time. Just my steering inputs was a lot sharper, and I wasn't fighting with the steering wheel the whole time. And so yeah, the Quickener definitely helped and improved my steering. I still don't have a lot of steering radius, that's a whole other issue. A lot more work has to be done to get still farther. But yeah, steering was pretty good. But I was fighting traction the whole time. Also the brakes still suck. Another different issue. Just once I plow forward, I brake too hard. Yeah, the car was sliding around a lot. I drifted it more than it went straight. And it's hard to tell. I can't tell if I'm spinning tires in the wheel or my clutch is slipping. Because the RPMs are going up, but the car's not really moving very much. It's not accelerating a whole lot. And I can't tell, because doesn't sound like the wheel is spinning, but then again, I couldn't smell clutch. So I'm not sure which one it was. Something I need to figure out. Now this is something you can do potentially to other cars, other types of cars. Like, example, you can do it to your drift car or your rally car if you wanted to quicken up the steering a little bit, or even your autocross car. So this isn't just limited to like kit cars and go-karts and stuff like that. You can potentially put it in your normal car if you have the room and the, I guess, fab skills to do it. Not that I have any of those skills. But that is it for this video. That's one little step of making this car a little bit better than it was. I'm not sure yet what the next step is for it. But if you want to find out, don't forget to hit that sub button and like, and go check out some of my other videos. But until then, Peace out. Catch you later.